In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the activity feed in Microsoft Teams. If you're new to Microsoft Teams or looking to become more efficient, understanding the activity feed is essential. This is your one-stop destination for viewing all the activity happening within the teams and channels you're a part of. Let's start by talking about what the activity feed is. Think of it as your personal inbox for Microsoft Teams. It brings together all the important content and notifications from the channels you follow. If someone posts something or interacts within a channel you're interested in, it will appear here if you've chosen to follow that channel. This means that by managing your activity feed wisely, you can keep track of everything without feeling overwhelmed. Now, to access your activity feed, select the activity icon on the sidebar. This is where you'll find a summary of all recent activities across your channels. It's essentially a comprehensive view of what's been happening. To make it even more user-friendly, there's a filter option at the top right corner. By clicking on it, you can choose what type of messages you want to see, whether it's unread messages, mentions, replies, or likes. This is a great way to streamline your feed and focus on what's most important to you. You'll notice that sometimes a red circle appears next to the activity icon. This indicates you have a new notification. These could be things like mentions or replies, and they stay in your feed for 14 days before disappearing. It's super helpful to regularly check these notifications so you never miss out on something important. There's also another way to stay on top of notifications, using the command box at the top of the Teams interface. Here's a tip. You can type commands like unread to get a quick list of unread channel notifications. Similarly, typing #mentions will show all messages where you've been mentioned. It's a powerful way to stay alert to the things that need your attention most. If you're interested in reviewing your own activities, head to the feed menu and select My Activity. This gives you a rundown of your recent actions in Teams, allowing you to track your engagement and participation. Lastly, let's talk about the activity feed symbols. Microsoft Teams assigns unique symbols to different types of notifications. This visual cue allows you to swiftly categorize and prioritize messages. Whether it's a simple like or a crucial mention, the symbols help you navigate through your feed efficiently. By mastering how to use the activity feed, you're well on your way to becoming more productive and organized within Microsoft Teams.